All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm out here today at an estate sale. I'm picking. Let's see what they got. See what we can find. Got a bunch of barns, some tools. See if we can find some cool stuff. So here's what I come up with so far. I found a little wire wheel. I found chain hooks. Those are nice. Big old tap thingy. And then some tire shine. So I'm picking. I'm a picky picker. I'm picking. Ooh, tarp. Man, if I didn't have to pay for this stuff, I'd just load up the truck. Look at that. Wow. That bottle of Rotella is ancient. Dude, look. That's wild. That is ancient. So, let's see what we can find. I'm trying to find the grinder these went on. Those big old boys. Those look good. Felpro, some safety goggles. Man, it's moldy out here. I can't find that grinder that boy goes on. Hello, is Matt there? Yeah, my Chevy truck's broken. I need his help. Yeah, okay. He'll be there immediately. All right, cool. All right, thank you. Thank you. Executive. So, ain't much going on in here. Let's go check out some of the other buildings, some of the other sheds, and see what we can find. So, Massey Ferguson says sold. Man, that thing leaks like a sieve. That thing is black. Black on the back. Man, that reeks of diesel. Oh, they must have had to bleed it, try to get it started, but he says sold, so. I never worked on one of these before. There was a farm that I was on. He had one of these Massey Ferguson, made in Great Britain. That differential is huge. A big old one of these, and they wanted me to work on it. The steering was locked up. I never got a chance to work on it, but you know, it looked good. But it looked well built, but it was Great Britain, and the parts availability for it was just, I don't know. But man, oh man, that thing's old. I mean, it's like, I swear it reminds me of like 1940s, 1950s engineering right here. Yeah, either way, it's still around, so that tells you something. So for tools, guy already bought the big toolbox full. So I'm seeing if there's anything else we can get. There's a dog above me. I mean, there's some stuff we can get, you know, pick through. There's another big barn I'm trying to find. Let's go find that one, see if there's anything there. I'm about done here, though. I like that barn, though. That barn is nice, man. Nice and green. Creek, burn pile, barn. Man, we could put the yam on there. We could do so much work, but, all right, so we got this old barn. Whoa, hello. Oh man, that's for horses. We can't use that on a Yamar. See what we got in here. Ooh, spooky. I wonder if it's haunted. Bah! Let's see, what do we got? Nah, materials, nothing. This thing was hand-built though, like rough hewn, you can tell. Moonshine. Oh yeah, what's that, for cow milk? I don't know, but those bottles are kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, I might get me one to drink out of that. I might get me one and clean it up. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Is that a disc? That's a disc, man. That's a massive disc. Oh, you know what that is? That's not a Farmall. Okay, so they would do weird stuff like this. So they'd have like belly attachments, and they do like a disc like that right in the middle, and it would disc it, and you wouldn't drag it. It was kind of like a belly attachment. Man, this thing needs some seals. But yeah, it'd have it's kind of like a PTO back here, and then the attachment would go right there. So I guess he used it when he's out here plowing his field up. Plowing the field. There's your sawmill right there. Drag that, or run that behind the tractor. And then there's the the table to hold it, and then you have the belt on there, so probably why he kept this old tractor around. That is cool. Go look at that. Put a belt on there. Man, we don't need another tractor project. There ain't nothing out here for me. Some kind of attachment, sickle mower. Whoa. Yeah, see, no, that's for that. It's like a drawbar. Yeah, it is a drawbar. Right there. Yeah, right there. Probably goes to this. We can't use it on EMR. I know exactly what that is. That's for going over rows. So like you're driving over top of the row, and then the crop distance is right here. You can see with the weeds like that, and then you're disking like that. You're throwing dirt over the hill to bury up the weeds, and the crop is right here. And then that way, you know, you don't run over your crop, you don't damage your crop, go right over the top, and you can adjust the holes depending on how wide the rows are, whatnot. Pretty cool. International Harvester. USA. So I'm done here. Plow the field up, man. Burn that thing. I like the house. Let me buy the house. I like this. Don't have much saw work to do, but I see some kind of mechanical thing over here. Looks like somebody was pumping out of the creek. That sounds like fun. Yeah, there's something mechanical here. Let's check it out. Oh, I know what that is. That is a manure spreader, and that is a big one too, and it hasn't been ran in years. But whoo, there's a poison ivy vine going right in that. Oh man, don't touch that, whatever you do. Whew, I leaned up against one of these. Look at that sap right there. You touch that and you're in trouble. I leaned up against one of these last summer. My whole arm was double the size, man. So yeah, we're gonna stay away from that. But that manure spreader right there, they got chicken coops down there. Put chicken manure in there, flip it out in the field. How do you think that field got that green? Oh man, is there a way to get up top? What is that? There is an ATV up top. How did that even happen? I don't even know how to get up there. I want to try to get up there. Hey, Loft. Hello. There's poison ivy all over this thing. Come on. Okay. Oh man, there ain't nothing up here. That's chicken stuff, I know that. Yeah, that's chicken stuff. Poison ivy. Horse stuff. Ain't nothing up here. Drag that behind the horse. Your horse buggy. I think I'm done here, guys. Done here for today. Let's head back, see what we got. Let's check out the haul. Guess what I'm driving? Cat Eye. Oh yeah, I'm rocking the Chevy Chevrolet Avalanche. It's running good. Let's check out the haul. So, we got some drill bits right here. I needed these. These are sharp. Look like I only drilled through wood, so those will be good. That 1/2 inch. Here we go. Some chain hooks. These are gonna come in handy. I'm gonna put these to use immediately. I was actually needing this yesterday. I was doing some fabrication, so a small little angle level. I see these at estate sales and garage sales every time there's one. So, you know, I grab it. You know, if they're cheap enough, we can use it for plasma cutting as a guide. Some razor blades, and I actually needed this. So this is for that tap. Takes a big old tap, and the one I had wouldn't fit this big old tap, so that one fits in there perfectly. I'll get it sandblasted and cleaned up. Then we got a little copper wire wheel, and then this is the nicest find right here. Y'all won't guess what that is. It's not just a tire rim. I'll pull that out in a second, but we got this grate right here. It's like aluminum grate. I thought, you know, plasma cut on it, the sparks will go right through. It's like 10 bucks. Should hold up to the plasma. It's aluminum. I wish it was steel. Should work. And then look what I found. Oh yeah, this is gonna get me in trouble. We're gonna test this out in a second. All right, so here's the real treat. I found this on the way out. Oh yeah, y'all know what this is? It is a grinder stand, so it is nice, custom made. I'll get it painted up, but I actually needed this yesterday. I was fabricating something. I was like, man, I need a grinder stand, so I found one. Dug it out of it was behind that shed. Might put some concrete or something in there, you know, put something on the bottom, but it's stout. I'll show you what I'm gonna put on here. That's what I got it for right there. My bench grinder, it is sitting on there nice. It's kind of high though. It's kind of right at your chest, but it'll be all right. I'm gonna have to plasma cut me some holes in here for the bolts, but we'll get them cut out and get that thing mounted up here. And the cord looks good too. Dangled right down there. Dug that out of that dirt. Who knows how long that thing's been sitting out there, 20 years. We'll put it back to use. Pretty stable, pretty good. Good to go. How much trouble y'all think we can get in with this thing? Woo! Get those parts. Get that truck fixed. All right, so this ought to come in handy. I paid 50 bucks for the whole haul. I think we did pretty good. The tractors, all that stuff was already sold. Guys were coming to pick it up. The grinder stand is nice though. I'm about to go clean it up, get it painted up before the storm comes. I'll check y'all out on the next garage sale, estate sale, tool hunt. Later.